What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm heading to Silk Island with my friends. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so they just pulled up to this port and we got off, and now we're just walking up onto the road here so our tuk-tuk can drive off the boat, drive down the road here to another pier where we can get on a boat that will take us the rest of the way to Silk Island. So we have one more boat ride to go. So we're on the second ferry now, and there's actually an upper deck, so even though our tuk-tuk is just drove right onto this one again, we hopped out and we're gonna go up these stairs to the upper deck here. Yeah. Wow, check this out. And with these ferries we're on, when you drive onto it with your tuk-tuk, it costs $1 for the tuk-tuk, and all the people in it's just $1. So we had to pay $1 at the first place and $1 here, and then we think it's possible that if you have just a single motorbike, it might be cheaper than like maybe only 1,000 rail, but we're not sure. So we're just walking off the boat now onto Silk Island. Let's see what we discover here and what we get up to. So we've got our bag of beers with ice. We've made it to this nice, it's kind of like a picnic rest stop area with the water right here, and it cost another $1 to get into here. So we're walking closer to the water's edge now, and we can see there's a whole bunch of huts and looks like places you can hang out on the water. Check this out.
We have to order now.
So there's like local Khmer people here selling snacks and drinks, and they'll take your food order and bring it right to you. And they came and talked to us, and they said if we order food from them, then we can stay in one of these huts like for free. You don't have to, I think usually you might have to pay a small like rental fee to hang out under one of these huts. It's like a sand, it feels like a beach, sandy bottom. Choosing a hut, we want one with lots of shade. This is crazy.
you sit there. You sit there. Sit there. Không coi, you let the man.
Oh, they've got a map.
You sit there. You sit there.
And yeah, when we got into this hut and sat down, and they just were crowding around us, and even standing in the water right here. They were standing like knee deep in water all around us, trying to sell snacks and snails and little weird things we could buy and eat. And now there's some coming. There's a barbecue coming. Look at.
You can say not much.
Hey!
It's nice. Oh,
There's the front.
Yeah.
number one. Good luck. Good luck. River beach.
With this bit here.
Yeah, this beach. Don't know on that. I don't know.
Why?
Mua nó cắt cằm.
I might nibble the skin.
Nó gạo
Oh, there's these two things and then there's...
here.
That's a neck, isn't it? Maybe.
This the right for you. During the Khmer rule, if people made this, they can eat food. But me, no have this.
No, I have no right.
In the Khmer rule, I'm skinny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said true. I'm skinny. They
No
beat
food.
me with the bamboo.
Yeah.
My eyebrow.
Damn.
So this is Silk Island. So we've left that place where we were hanging out, and we actually went to a place where they're manufacturing and like doing the silk right here, and they've got different stages. We're looking at the eggs. We're looking at, they look like little worms or caterpillars that are alive right here. Then you can see all the steps. Then they have a loom over here, and they're actually weaving the threads together. So let's walk through and take a look at all the steps here. So right here behind me hanging, these are like nests. And actually inside all these little things, that's where the worms are living in there. And it looks kind of silky, like you can see these yellow, those yellow parts in there, they look like thread fibers kind of. So this is the loom, and over here are the fruits of that loom. Just feel like we're looming around. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Mine is tall.